Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Mean Girls winter outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the hat because I did do accessory adjustments on it. I used this hair in this color, A1652B. Then for the hat, I just used this hat from the Winters collection. Position the Y.44, rotate the Z2.66. Then for the outfit, you don't need VIP for this, so let's get this skirt and turn on the fur toggle, color it red, and then the belt black, and then just the fur in white. Then we're going to grab this top here, color it red, and then white, and then red, and then white again, and then red. Then grab this top and color it red. Grab the microphone and I'm just going to color it gray. Then use these gloves and turn off the fur, and I'm just going to color it black. Then we're just going to get these boots in the knee length and the medium platform in all black as well. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!